Cooking U.S. rice in the microwave is an easy, no-fuss way to cook delicious rice. To begin, gather the following tools and ingredients. A deep microwavable baking dish, which holds approximately 2 liters. A measuring cup and measuring spoons. A serving spoon. A fork. 1 cup of U.S. white rice. 1 3/4 cups of water or your preferred cooking liquid. A teaspoon of salt and a tablespoon of butter or margarine may also be used. Combine the rice, water, and optional salt and butter in the baking dish and place the dish in the microwave. Check the rice packaging for specific microwave cooking times. If nothing is specified, cook on high for about 5 minutes or until the water boils. Once the water has reached a boil, reduce the microwave heat to medium and cook for an additional 15 minutes. After 20 minutes, your rice should be cooked. Check the rice with a fork to ensure it's tender, fluffy, and ready to eat. If you prefer to cook with whole grain brown rice, use 2 to 2.5 cups of water or your preferred cooking liquid to 1 cup of brown rice. Check the rice packaging for specific microwave cooking times. If none is specified, cook on high for about 5 minutes or until the water boils. Once the water has boiled, increase cooking time to approximately 30 minutes in the microwave.